Yo, what's good, guys? Woo! Welcome to this week's effect stacking. And basically, what's good, everyone? I just had a bit of fun there at the start. Make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. This week, I am gonna be showing you how to stack your effects in FL Studio. Now, this is a track that I am working on currently with some artist from the UK, and this is what I've done so far. Sorry, when I move the mouse, it skips a bit, but let me just show you what I've done. London city town, best when it's sunny like ain't no doubt. Summertime coming drinks all around. UK music if you got that sound. Ain't no festive reason. UK summertime and best of the seasons, yeah. Smoke up in the air, ice and drinks you can compare. London city town, best when it's sunny like ain't. So guys, if you want to achieve a really cool and you want to achieve those really good vocal effects, please make sure you guys stick to this kind of layout that we've got on here. So first of all, you want to make sure that your effect stack is starting with the EQ and saturation, then the compression, okay, then the pitch correction, which is like the auto tune or something like that, and underneath that you want to have the reverb and delay. Always have the reverb first and then the delay. Sometimes you can mix them up, it doesn't really matter that much. You might want to separate them onto a different channel, so duplicate your actual vocals down and then separate them on a different channel, just like we have over here. London city town, best when it's sunny like ain't no doubt. Now in this case we've doubled the vocals and just thrown both of them on there, just giving us that powerful kind of delay. Well, we didn't even use delay, just reverb on this one. Every song will be different, don't forget. And then underneath that, guys, you want to throw other SFX plugins, so other kind of, sound effects, whatever kind of finalizers you guys are using, like UJam have finalizers with certain effects, like room effect or something. And then right below that, you want to add your de-easers, your limiters, and soft clippers. Soft clipper is usually like the last thing you want to add to the window. So let's just have a look over here on the stacks of what we got. So if we head over to the stacks, as you guys can see, we've got this is on the record input. So this is what I have on the record input. Turn few things on and certain things off when I need, like, London city town. Sorry, I hit the right note. London city town, best when it's sunny like ain't no doubt. As you guys can see, really cool and just sounds awesome. And that's what we kind of got on here. And obviously, I recorded with some effects on. And then on the main mix, as you guys can see, I've got Fruity Multiband Compressor at the top, which I've turned off for now, as I'm getting a better results without the compressor. Then I've got EQ right at the bottom, well, below that. Then I've got reverb, delay. Then I've got the Fruity Limiter, okay. Now notice that I've popped the Fruity Limiter above the vocal cleaner. I'm just going to shift that down. So I'm going to press Alt, Shift, just press Shift and click on it and just move it down. So if you guys don't know how to do that, if we head over here, I can show you. So what you guys going to do is you're basically going to hold Shift on your keyboard and with your mouse scroll up and down. And while you hold that, you will be able to really move anything on your channel stack without actually removing or deleting anything. And that will make it 10 times easier for you guys. So just hold that Shift and with your mouse key scroller, move it down just like that. So you guys, it's very important how you arrange and rearrange your channel stack. And this is why it's so important that you guys get it right. And this is a basic kind of tutorial just showing you how you should be stacking your vocals. Again, very simple, as you guys can see. We got the vocal finalizer on here. Then we've got the limiter. So we can put the limiter, vocal finalizer. They don't really matter because the finalizer's got like a de-easer, kind of a limiter effect itself. And I left a few slots here at the top in case I want to put something in there. But apart from that, that is pretty much it, guys. You know, if you're looking on how to channel stack, again, EQ saturation first, then compression. You can go compression and EQ. Doesn't really make much of a difference because they're both kind of, you know, you're compressing and then changing the EQ. It doesn't have much of an effect, but usually you might want to do EQ first and then the compression, because the compression then is taking effect on the consideration of the EQ and saturation already being in the system. So I just move that down just like that. Then you might want to add your reverb, your delay, obviously your pitch correction. If I had auto-tune, then I would just, you know, put it in here and put auto-tune in here. Just like that. But I already added auto-tune onto my main vocals. So I was recording live with auto-tune enabled. Therefore, I don't really need it. So again, really simple to move these about with the shift or alt. You know, both work the same ways. You can hold alt as well. Hold works the same, or shift. And pretty much that is it, guys. So this is the best way of mixing your vocals on your channel stack. If you follow these settings on here, you will find it 10 times easier, guys, to really mix your channel stack on the vocals. And this is the kind of preset settings you guys want to use. And I thought I'd create this because I had a lot of questions on it and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys like this, and hopefully you guys like my new song. Gonna give you a quick sneak peek of this part. Check this out. They love it loud. Skirt round beamer, sipping on my lean up, chilling, got my feet up, and you can call me daydreamer. Oi, guys, make sure you hit the like and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, join Producer Buzz. Keep dropping your comments below on what you guys want to see next week. Apart from that, peace out, subscribe, ciao.